Meanwhile, Vice President Jejomar Binay is hoping that a Filipino facing the death penalty in Saudi Arabia can still be saved. Again, the details from El Prefecto.
The Aquino government hopes that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia will give the public and private sectors more time to collect enough funds for blood money in exchange for the awareness of the family of the Sudanese victim of OFW Joselito Zapanta. According to Vice President Jejomar Binay, President Aquino has already written a letter to King Abdullah of Saudi Arabia, and the Vice President has also written a letter which has already been sent to the Saudi Arabian Embassy.
Bigyan pa ng konting panahon na makapag-raise ng pera. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol pa. Ang habol-habol po natin, huwag maipagpatuloy ang execution. At nang sa ngayon, tingnan natin kung paano tayo magre-raise ng pera.
In a press conference at the Coconut Palace, Binay lamented the fate awaiting Zapanta if the 55 million peso blood money is not given to the family of Zapanta's Sudanese victim.
Baka naman ito sa halagang ito, mabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na mabigyan ng panahon at tingnan natin kung ano magagawa pa natin doon sa halagang hinihingi. Ang oras po sa Saudi is 5 hours late. So, yung pamilya alis bukas. At yun nga, ginagawa ng paraan ng DFA na makapag-apila doon sa pamilya. Tiga Sudan yung kwan. Hindi naman hindi naman tiga Saudi ito eh.
Because of this, Binay called on Filipinos to pray for Zapanta and also reminded OFWs to respect the laws of their host countries.
Isang pagdidiinan lang namin, hindi naman po nagpapabaya ang pamahalaan. Nandiyan ho ang records, makikita ho ninyo sa simula't simula. Kahit naman kayo siguro, common sense will dictate, biro mo yun. The death penalty ito eh. Hindi naman kaya ng pamahalaan doon sa embahada na magpabaya, no?
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.